Hey again, Karen here with Big Cartel Support, and today we are going to set up domain forwarding for a Namecheap domain. So if you want to use a custom domain for your Big Cartel store and you got your domain through Namecheap, you're going to need to create a Cname record and a 301 redirect in your Namecheap account. So we'll do that now. I'm logged into my Namecheap account, I'm looking at the dashboard, and now I need to click Manage over here to the right of my domain. Now when the next page loads, I'm going to need to scroll down and find the redirect section. There we go. Oh, there we go. Right here, redirect domain. Now I need to click Add Redirect. And in the source URL field here, I need my custom domain without the www in front. So my custom domain is mybigcartelstore.com. I'll type that here. Yours will obviously be different. And in the destination URL field, I need my full custom domain with the www in front, as well as HTTP. So you need them both or they won't work. All right, so there we go. I've got my custom domain right here with HTTP and www in front. Now I just need to click this little check mark here to save that. And I am done with my redirect. Now I just need to create my Cname record. So I'll scroll back up and click Advanced DNS. There we go. Now I can see a default Cname record right here. That's been created by Namecheap. So I don't need to add a new record, I just need to edit this default one. The type is correct, Cname record. The host is correct, www, so neither of those need to be changed, but I do need to change the value. So I want my custom domain pointing to my Big Cartel store at for.bigcartel.com, so that's what I'll enter as the value. And you'll enter your own store's bigcartel.com URL. Click the little green check mark, and I'm done. I've got both my Cname record and my 301 redirect good to go. So now I just need to add my custom domain to my Big Cartel store's admin. So I'll hop over there. All right, I'm here on the account page, so I'll click Edit Your Shop Info, add a custom domain, add domain, and I'll just pop it right in here. Make sure the www is in front. Click Save. And I'm done. I can see my custom domain right here with the little yellow padlock to the left of it. And if I hover over that, I can see that the system is just generating an SSL certificate for my custom domain. So when that's completed, the lock will turn green. But otherwise, I'm done. That's how you use a Namecheap domain for your Big Cartel store. I hope that helps. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us at support@bigcartel.com, or you can send us a message if you're logged into the admin. Just click the little speech bubble at the bottom right to send us a message that way. Thanks for watching.